Good morning, guys! Parang hindi ako naligo Tsaka, I'm having my coffee and this one right here. What are you doing? Sobrang init pa ng coffee ko. Kailangan ko na itong ubusin. And we should leave in 5 minutes. Or earlier. I'm sorry, I need to finish this.
Okay, over here one.
I don't want to. We're almost there. Imimit namin sila Kathy somewhere sa waterfall. And then from there, we will walk doon sa mountain. We're here. But we need to find a car park. It's so busy. Today's holiday, by the way, because it's Queen's birthday. Happy birthday, Queen. Anyway, maghanap kami ng car park. I don't know how long it will take us to get one. Forever? This is gonna be our exercise then, sitting in the car.
It will be.
I'm not sure where Kathy and Neil is. I'm not sure where they are. Where are you guys? Maybe I'm pretty sure they're having a hard time looking for a car park as well. Yeah. We'll see. I'm gonna text her. We're gonna walk all the way up there. We went back to find a car park because at the spot that we want, there's no more car parks available. And nakasalubong naman sila Kathy. So they're going in the same direction. I hope they can find a car park there. If not, then oh well. That's life. I'm pretty sure they will come back. They will see us walking. We're not even at the start point yet. What?
Crossover.
Oh, yay. Dito na kami. We walked maybe 15 minutes and then now we're starting. This is it. Kathy! Hi! 11:30. The guys are in the background. That's cool.
Yeah, the first one's always in top, and it gets really close. And then that wall.
Nice. We're just starting. I'm so freaking tired.
The hard bit. Yeah. When you go like this. Yeah.
Mahirap siya kasi pataas. That's cool. Nice. Yeah, we're halfway. I'm tired. But the weather is nice. It's not hot, so it's cool. Look at this. Sobrang paakyat. Ay, nako. This is hard. Walking sticks. We can use our hands. Cool. We're almost there. I can see the road. Yes, we did it. Not yet, but we're getting there. Vlogception. Some of you guys wanted me to buy that tripod.
Yeah. I should get you one,
Nah, it's fine. I'm getting used to holding my camera like this, like holding it from the bottom.
Not touching the microphone.
Yeah, this is crazy. Copy good.
Copy good.
We're almost there though.
Yeah.
Whew, the view up there will be great. There's the guys walking up there like a pro. We're here. Yes.
Yeah, after an hour and a half.
Oh really? Yeah. This is where we had dinner one weekend. Nung kumain kami ng kangaroo. Look at the view. Nice. Oh, how cool is that? This time you guys will see the view. The last time you didn't because it was so foggy. But look at that. Yeah. Cool.
That big patch of grass.
Yeah.
That's the airport. Buildings right in the far.
Yeah.
Near the water. That's Cornell.
Okay.
Do I show where Marion is?
Where?
Shopping centre?
Oops.
That's alright. You can see over there, they're like big, like a bit of a white building
Yeah.
by itself. And got like a little, like brownie colour next to it.
Yeah. We're going downhill now. Ooh.
Down.
Yeah.
Down.
This feels more fun. We're almost done. We're gonna check out this bad boy right here first. The falls. It looks cool. We're back here. Ooh, my camera. Look at that view. Nice. We're going back. Feels great. We've been walking for almost maybe 2 hours now. That's cool, huh? Nauna na sila Kath. But yay, we made it. We're gonna have a big lunch after. Huh, I'm excited. I'm hungry. Oh, we're in the car! Finally! My goodness, that's a long walk. Really long. Anyway, we're heading to Chinatown. We will have lunch. Yum cha. Yummers! I'm starving. You are too, right?
Yeah, me too.
But that was good. I'm proud of myself.
Yeah, you so
I did it. Ooh, that was the first time I did that kind of walk. Like, it's so steep uphill. And it was kind of hard going downhill as well because you need a lot of control. Gosh, but it was fun.
Killed it.
Yeah, we did it. Careful. Walking to Chinatown. I'm excited. I'm so hungry.
Ooh, we ate it today.
Ooh. Sorry?
We ate it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Dito kami kakain pero hintayin muna naman sila. We're here at St. Louis. We're done with lunch. We didn't film. It was disappointing. It was good though. I'm full. Yeah. Yeah, we're full. The guys, I'm not sure if they are full.
Like rushing.
Yeah, the guy that took our order was rushing and we didn't really get all of our orders, which was crazy. But we're here to get coffee.
Saint Louis. Is that
Yeah.
Saint Louis?
Maybe. St. Louis. Let's do Louis. Sounds better.
We should go there.
St. Louis.
Kauai.
Oh yeah. They have a store right there. $2.80, so that would be what?
60. I think it's $33. $1.
Yeah, so maybe 100.
Yeah.
Okay.
The 70 pesos.
I'm filming myself.
Yeah, 70 pesos.
Yeah. Look at this pimple right here though.
Oh my God.
I know, right?
Massive.
I woke up
Is it the
today and
same?
I was like, no, it's a different one. I have my visitor. Yeah. I have my coffee.
Look at that.
What did you have, Beth? White.
White chocolate.
Ooh.
It looks like condensed milk.
It does. You don't like it, right?
What's that?
Condensed milk.
Not raw.
Taste it.
Yeah, it's chocolate. It's chocolate.
Yeah.
The milk chocolate around here.
Yummer. What is it?
Mocha.
That looks really good. Yours,
Yeah.
Neil?
Mine are dark hot chocolate.
Ooh. Always 280, but not everything is 280. Oh well,
Really?
we're gonna get
Isn't it?
this. No, it's not.
Nah. Anything over to
Look at this.
Yeah, I saw like $4.50 Oreos and stuff. I know, false advertising.
I wish they have something nicer though. With this one, babe, this looks really basic. Maybe they have one in pink or
We won't
whatever.
get it. We'll get like a decent one.
No, it's decent. It's just like you know. We're heading home. We're gonna stop by. Where are we gonna go? Walmart? No, Walmart. Walmart. Why do we keep saying Walmart? There's no Walmart here. Kmart.
Nah, Coles and Food Land.
Coles.
We need croissants.
We're gonna go there. We've got croissants and yeah, home. 4:22 right now in the afternoon. So we're just gonna go home, chill. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be sore tomorrow, but I'll be fine because I'm just gonna be home vlogging. These people are gonna be working tomorrow.
Exactly.
Poor Kath, Neil, and you.
This guy, what's his name?
And this, what's his name?
Big
Yeah,
white guy,
I am
yeah.
full of energy now because we just had coffee. That was a good coffee as well. Yummer!
Car so hurry up.
Hurry up, dude!
Use your accelerator.
Do you want me to go out and tell him to hurry up?
Tell him not to drive off.
I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna go out right now. You ready?
Do it.
You're the best. You're the best among the rest, and my pimp as well is the best. Ooh! Where's everybody? Where are you guys?
Public holiday, that's why.
Nobody's here.
No, it's an open up public holiday.
Coles is closed, so we're going to a different one. I had croissant, ham ham and cheese lunch. Was it yesterday, babe? Yesterday, I think. Yeah, it was good. So we're thinking. I'm thinking I can do that at home really easy. Like it's just a freaking cheese and ham in a freaking croissant. We didn't find the croissant, so we're getting this, or we got this instead. What do you call this again, babe?
Scone.
Scone?
Yeah.
So this is actually the bread that Kathy and Neil was talking about, that they like it. So we'll see. I haven't tried it. It's just bread, but yeah, you're supposed to eat it with.
It's not bread.
Oh, it's not bread?
It's not bread.
It's not bread. I do not know what it is then. Good morning! I'm watching Sprinkle of Glitter, yung sad video niya. Anyway, I have my coffee right here. I'm gonna have my coffee with this. But yeah, walang whipped cream this time kasi naubos na yung whipped cream ko. And you guys, I got a mail. It's from ColourPop! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited! Nakita ko na kanong laman. I'm not gonna show you yet because I'm gonna do a separate haul video kasi I think I have 6-7 items in here. So yeah, it deserves its own video. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. These are my very first ColourPop items and yeah, I can't wait. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Lunchtime! I have eggs, tapos ham, and rice. Yummers! Kain tayo! Hi guys! Naligo na ako kanina pero binalik ko yung pajama ko kasi walang ganap today. Dito lang ako sa bahay. Magluluto ako mamayang gabi ng chicken. Yeah, chicken something. I will show you guys later. Pero, oh, by the way, this is the blemish balm. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo. Punta tayo sa banyo. Ito yung ginamit ko sa pimple ko kasi it's a blemish cream daw. We'll see. First time ko pa lang siya ginamit eh. So, we'll see. Kasi meron na namang isang Mr. Pimp dyan. Kasi I have my bisita na naman. So, bumisita din si Mr. Pimp. O diba? Wala na naman ako sa focus. Merong laging nagko-comment sa video ko na i-touch ko lang daw yung screen, magfo-focus na. Alam ko naman yun. Minsan talaga kahit tinatouch ko yung screen, ayaw niya mag-focus. Yeah, pero I do know na merong ganyang ganap na i-touch mo lang yung screen tapos mag-focus na. Hi guys! I gotta get ready! Susunduin ako ni Dan. Actually, pauwi na siya. Nag-uusap kami sa phone tapos sabi niya, gusto mo bang... Wait. Talking about yung dinner namin mamaya and... Yeah. Meron kailangan bilhin. So, sabi niya, gusto mo ba pumunta tayo ng Kmart? Sunduin kita dyan. Tapos, alis na tayo. So, sabi ko, you know what? Sure. So, I'm just gonna get my coat. I still have my pajamas on. Tapos, I need to remove this thing right here. And, yeah, let's go to Kmart. Hintay ko na si Dan. Sobrang lamig, you guys. Dito muna ako sa loob. Hintayin ko lang siya. Hindi yung green yung sinuot ko, itong black. Kasi yung green sobrang haba nun. Itong black tama lang yung ano niya yung green abot dito. Mga dito. Sobrang haba. Anyway, yung tagal naman. Sobrang traffic daw kasi. Tsaka. Naglagay lang ako nung ano, BYS na parang lip balm. Yung nagsistain. So, that's what I have on my lips.
Yeah, it's not completely metal. Might do though.
Yeah, the ones with like spiky thingies. We're here at Kmart. Oh, there. Yeah. We need that. We're looking for can opener as well. Because he doesn't have a decent one. This girl right here is struggling every time I open a can for me. Which one do you prefer? I think that's the only one they have.
Oh, this one looks sturdier.
Which one? This one? No. Which one?
This one.
Okay.
I just don't like how these are plastic here.
Is it plastic?
Yeah, they're plastic. Same with this here. This is plastic here. This is metal. I wish this was just all metal. I'm just worried.
It's up to you.
That
We got that.
exciting stuff.
It's so
Let's just chuck it in the car so we don't
exciting.
have
No,
Oh,
don't
just
get
need
a
one?
lot. Yeah, let's get one for now and then getting that. Which one? We're looking
just
for gravy. Traditional? Yeah, sure. Let's do that. I got this as well to try.
Yeah.
And spicy numbros. We'll see. Let's go.
Let's go.
And then we got muffins.
Oh, yeah.
Yum. And croissant. But yeah, that's it. Hi guys, I'm gonna cook chicken cordon bleu. So this is going to be my very first time trying this out. We'll see how it will turn out. I'm actually kind of nervous because I've never tried anything like this before and I've never cooked it, obviously. I have here the flour, egg, and then breadcrumbs. Tapos nandito na yung chicken ko na tinenderize ko kanina using this. Ngayon lang namin to binili. This one right here, binili namin sa Walmart. No, why do I keep saying Walmart? Kmart kanina. And then, yeah, and then inside, merong ham, tapos merong Swiss cheese. So, all I need to do now, I think I'm gonna take out all the ham and then the cheese inside, tapos i-dip siya sa flour, and then sa egg, and then sa breadcrumbs, yung chicken lang. And then, I'm gonna get my pan ready, lalagyan ko lang siya ng oil. This is the potatoes. So, I'm just gonna move the potatoes in here. And then start cooking my chicken there. This is what the chicken cordon bleu looks like. Hindi ko pa siya na-taste. Or na-taste ko yung konti lang dito. Okay lang naman siya. Pero yung gitna na may cheese tsaka may ham, hindi pa. And I'm still cooking my mashed potato. Si Dan tumakbo eh. So pagbalik niya, ready na yung dinner. And yummers. Kumain na kami. And nagustuhan niya naman yung kinain namin. So that's good. And wala nang ganap today. I'm just watching MasterChef. Actually, patapos na. I'm editing this vlog right now actually. So, i-add ko lang itong clip na to. Tsaka yung mga clip na nakuha ko kanina. And yeah, that's it. Later on, I'm gonna add na naman the SOS blemish cream. And we'll see kung ano mangyayari bukas. I will vlog it. And we'll see kung magda-dry up siya bukas. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. And thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like. And malapit na mag 5,000 yung video naming dalawa. 4,500 niya the last time he checked. So, 500 na lang. Pero yeah, that's it for this video. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget, be good.